This is where you'll write down your ideas and preparation for each one of the symbols you're looking to trade. You can create a category tag, rate the setup, or even link screenshots to compare the charts before and after the move happened. On the dashboard, you'll see your trading plans organized by their ratings, and you can use the slicers to filter your watch list or go back in time to analyze your stats. For example, you can see the plans you wrote today by selecting today's date on the slicers. Filter them by category or by the quality of the setup. The first chart shows your most watched symbols and if they are actually going according to your plans. Tesla, for example, is on my watch list almost every day, and most of the time I'm planning correctly. Apple, as you can see, doesn't go according to my plan very often, so I might want to rethink my strategies on this ticker. This chart will show you the number of plans you wrote for the selected period, broken down by their ratings. It will give you an idea of how the market is evolving over time in terms of the number of opportunities, so you can adjust your expectations. Hopefully, this will help you better structure your trades and make you come to the markets even more prepared. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message.